Hello guys, good day. I'm Architect Jojo. So today we're here again in Congressional Town Center, Tower 3. And nandito tayo ngayon sa area ng Tower 2, which is our swimming pool area. At dito natin titingnan yung aerial view ng pinopormahan at binabakalan nating 8th floor level. So ito guys yung ating area ng swimming pool at ito naman yung ating Tower 2 ng Congressional Town Center. So ito is a 42-story high na structure. Yan. Ito naman yung 8th floor level na ongoing preparations ng ating rebars and formworks para sa ating pagbubuhos ngayong araw, ngayong gabi ng May 16, 2026. Ito ngayon yung nasa background ko dito sa aking likuran. So ito yung ating 8th floor level which is also the part ng ating parking area. So ngayon, ongoing yung ating pagbabakal at paglalagay ng forma including yung ating mga utilities sa mga abang natin para sa ating electrical and also sa ating plumbing and other utility provision para dito sa ating nalalapit na pagbubuhos which is naka-schedule ngayong gabi. So very busy yung ating mga workers para makumpleto yung ating mga abang dito sa ating 8th floor level. Tingnan natin closer yung mga preparations natin dito sa ating 8th floor level.
Now, this is the actual installation of our rebars and formworks here in the 8th floor level. You can see here the ongoing installation of our electrical conduit for our power here in the floor and also the power provision for the lower floor which is the 7th floor level. Ongoing installation of this electrical conduit is vital for the preparation of our upcoming concrete flooring today. So right now, our workers are very busy doing their works, doing their job for the installation of the conduit pipes and also the plumbing provision for this area. You can see here the plumbing provision in place in the formworks of our slab and also here the series of our floors from ground floor level going up to 8th floor level of which right now is ongoing preparation for our formworks, rebars, and all plumbing and electrical provision prior to our concrete flooring.
So guys, isang palapag na lang, abot na yung level ng ating Tower 3 dito sa inaapakan natin, dito sa 9th floor level. So hoping next week, magpuporma na ulit tayo at magbabakal ulit para dito sa ating 9th floor level. Alright guys, so these are all the development today, May 16, 2026. I'm Architect Jojo, sharing with you what Archie knows. Thank you and God bless you.